Hey guys, hope you're having a great day and welcome back to my Terrible Chess channel. If you're new here, definitely make sure you hit like and subscribe. To be honest, if you haven't, I'm not quite sure what you're doing with your life. Today we're going to be talking about computer chess cheaters, so let's get straight into it. If you're a chess player, you probably know that there are cheaters everywhere. These are the type of people that have peaked at a rating of probably around 1200 and don't like losing all the time, so then they resort by other means to start winning every game. Inevitably, they all get banned though. I would just like to establish that if you've ever cheated before or are currently cheating, I hate you and please leave. I'm just joking, but let's carry on and see how they actually do it. How do these people cheat? Now, the most prolific method that I have found with these cheaters is that they'll always have two tabs open. One with the game that they are currently playing, and the second with a chess engine running. And with the engine, they are putting in the moves to get the best moves back. And obviously, if you're being given consistently the best move, you're going to win the game, even if you're playing against someone like this guy. Now obviously, these people are very annoying. They ruin the way that chess is played, and they just make the game a whole lot less fun. So how do we go about catching these little pieces of shit? The first step to catching a cheater is paying attention to how much time they take with each move. Usually, they'll take around like 3 to 4 seconds consistently throughout the game. And this is because this is how long it takes for the chess engine to come up with the best move, because it needs a little time to calculate and work out the position. The second way to catch a cheater is when they play some move that's basically like inhumane. And what I mean by that is a move that nobody would find no matter how hard you look. Let's say you have this position and then they play a move like this. Obviously no one is going to find that move. Finding a move like that is more difficult than finding someone to love me, and that's pretty hard. But besides that, the third and final way that you can detect whether or not someone is a cheater is just by analysing the game. If you look back over it and the person is consistently making the best move, then obviously there's going to be some suspicion there. You're obviously going to think that yes, they are probably cheating. Although there is a method that these scumbag cheaters like to use, and that is by mixing some of their own moves in with the computer moves. That way, it becomes harder to detect by the anti-cheating system. However, any human would be able to detect it, because you'd be able to tell where the human is playing the moves and where the computer is playing the moves, because obviously no one is going to find half of these computer moves, like I said. In conclusion, please don't cheat on anything in life, whether it be on a test, on your partner, or even in chess. If you have ever done any of these things, you are an absolute embarrassment to society, and I hope you